Welcome behind the trigger, and this is the JP Enterprise barrel kit. Literally all it comes with is the barrel, the bolt, charging handle. That is it. Only issues I had with this setup when I first got it, because it was a kit, there's a lot of rough edges, so I had to polish up the feeder amps and some stuff like that. Let's see what this thing can do. Once again, I'm going to be shooting at 50 yards. And I'm going to be using the same lower with the Elfman Tactical trigger that I used with the Rock River Arms CMP national match. The wind did just pick up a little bit, so let's see how she runs. That's the way it should shoot. Alright, next video I'm going to be talking about all four of these rifles. Until next time.